Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get full screen on VLC Media Player. Whether you're watching a movie, a tutorial, or just enjoying some videos on your computer, this simple step-by-step guide will help you make the most of your viewing experience. First, open your VLC Media Player and load the video you want to watch. Once it's playing, you'll notice that the player window is in its normal size. Make sure you follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, to go full screen, you have a couple of easy options. You can simply double-click anywhere on the video screen, and it will expand to fill your entire monitor. Alternatively, you can press the F key on your keyboard. This is a quick shortcut to switch to full screen mode instantly. If you prefer using the menus, you can also click on the Video tab at the top of VLC and then select Full Screen from the drop-down list. This does the same thing and is perfect if you like navigating with your mouse instead of keyboard shortcuts. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your video is fully loaded before switching to full screen, and if you're using multiple monitors, check that VLC is on the screen you want to watch on. Doing this beforehand prevents any unexpected placement issues. Once you're in full screen, enjoy your video in its maximum size. To exit full screen, just press F again or hit the S key. This will return VLC to its normal windowed mode. It's also a good idea to remember these shortcuts for faster control next time you're watching videos. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to switch to full screen on VLC Media Player without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Delft Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it.